In this video, I'm going to teach you in here some tips on how to play Goblin Woods. So this is good for beginners and good for exploring your first step into this game. As you can see, here is some tips about Goblin's Wood. So in this case, if you're able to do so, you can get monthly subscription. It immediately doubles or quadruples your earnings, which in case gives you passive times 2 and rune that also doubles all income. On top of that, it also lets you skip all ads and gives magic dust. Second tip is to save your gems. It's not easy to get gems, so they are also important as well as magic dust. So don't upgrade everything. Only upgrade runes when it allows you to automate. Magic dust is incredibly valuable and you're always going to be hungry for it. Events are events that you actually need. So the game gives you two events and it flips between them in no time gap, so you need to actually play them before they run out. Max out your goblins is not always optimal. Usually it's a good idea to keep two goblins at the highest level, and level 10 goblins, you can upgrade one of them to 11. Lower level goblins are good as well as long as you know how to use them. Last step, prioritize the special titles and labs and use big goblins to rush labs for the higher level jobs. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.